Hi, I'm Alan Simmons. I've been a contributor to TOGAF for many years and have consulted for over 20 years across many industries and countries, focusing on enterprise architecture, governance, IT strategy, and data protection. Join me on Thursday, the 28th of April, when I'll be hosting Good eLearning's webinar, How TOGAF Can Be Used and Implemented. In this 60-minute webinar, we'll discuss a range of topics such as recognizing how to make TOGAF relevant and useful, asking the questions that TOGAF doesn't pose or answer, and we'll have a look at real-world artifacts and how they've been used. We'll also hear about how TOGAF isn't only for large organizations with unlimited resources, and we'll also hear about a few horror stories regarding TOGAF implementation. You'll also have the opportunity to share your observations and concerns about TOGAF implementation and ask questions in a Q&A session at the end of the webinar. Don't miss this chance to get an in-depth insight into TOGAF implementation. Click on the link and register free.